Hello viewers, if you have challenges or your laptop is not turning on and it's just blinking here, that is HP Envy x360 14 series or 15. How to fix such a problem? Please do not try to fix the adapter. If at all the adapter is working properly, how do you understand that? When this light is on, implying your adapter is receiving power. And the other people, you might find yourself that on the screen here it is showing you that the CMOS battery has a failure or it needs to be replaced. With such HP Envy, the battery itself, the laptop battery itself, it is the CMOS battery. CMOS battery. Now you don't need to really think about looking for the CMOS battery from the motherboard. Okay, now how do you fix this? How do you fix such a problem when you have such a blink here? Okay, when you turn on your laptop, it's not displaying but it blinks once here. What you do, you press the Windows button and the place B here, button B continuously. Then you go to your power button here, you press once. Okay, but do not release these buttons, continuously place them, but here you place once on your power button. You place once. This will be able to reset your BIOS CMOS battery. Then also your battery will stabilize and your machine will be able to turn on. Okay, no need to spend a lot of money to buy a new battery, no need to spend a lot of money to change the power port for your laptop. Thank you for watching. You can leave a comment in case of any inquiry.